I wish a wonderful day to all my students. We are again together to continue our today's session of English online class. Students, we are going to do worksheet number 24 and it is related with the topic notice writing. But this time the heading is found. We have to draft notices on found. First we have done in worksheet number 23 notices based on lost. But now this time found is the heading. We have to follow the same format but little bit changes will be done in the content. So in order to understand them, first go through the heading. Dorle Tenjing, a student of 8th class of the Buddha School Dharamshala, has found a beautiful fountain pen lying unclaimed near the skating rink. Write a notice in not more than 50 words, the word limit is given 50 words, on his behalf, announcing the find and telling the one who has lost it to claim it from him. This boy, Dorle Tenjing, he has found a beautiful fountain pen near the skating rink. Now he has to draft a notice. So let's go through the drafting. First of all, we have to mention the name of the institution that is given, so you will follow the same in capitals, and the name of the city is also mentioned. Then what is this? This is the notice. You will mention the word notice here in capitals. Then you will go with the date. Then a short, brief but clear cut heading should be given, that fountain pen found. Fountain pen found. Is it okay? In capitals. Now this was our heading, and the same as we have done in the notices related to lost. Now the turn comes content. Here we have found. So students, keep it in mind that you have found. अब आपको कुछ चीज़ मिली है, then you will not give the detailed description of that thing. Okay, you will only mention the name of the thing that you have found. A fountain pen has been found lying unclaimed near the school's skating rink. The owner can claim it, जिसका है वो claim कर सकता है, from the undersigned in room number 31. But कब claim कर सकता है? After giving proper identifications. जब जो person आएगा वो फाउंटेन पेन की बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट आइडेंटिफिकेशन देगा, देन द पेन विल बी हैंडेड ओवर टू दैट पर्सन. इज इट ओके? सो नो नीड टू गिव द एनी डिटेल्स रिगार्डिंग द थिंग, ओनली मेंशन द नेम ऑफ द थिंग दैट यू हैव फाउंड. देन हियर वी नो दैट सिग्नेचर्स Dorle Tenjing, then the name will be mentioned and the name of the class. Is it okay, students? So let's go through the another notice of found. You are Jenny Roy, the head girl. Now the name of the designation, उसकी post क्या है? She is head girl of Don Bosco International, Panji. You have been asked to write a notice regarding a scientific calculator found from the school playground. Now the girl has found a scientific calculator from the school playground. She has to draft a notice. Write the notice in not more than 50 words and put it in a box. Okay, students. So first of all, we will follow the same format. Here we go. Yes, class. You have to mention the name of the institution along with the name of the city. Notice, then date. Go for the date. And a small good heading, scientific calculator found. Now let's go for the content. Now we have found a scientific calculator, so a scientific, please be very vigilant about the spellings. A scientific calculator has been found has been found कहाँ से मिला है? फ्रॉम द school playground, from the school playground, full stop. Next, now what do you want to convey? The honor means to whom the thing relates to. The owner can claim it from the undersigned in room number 31. Is it okay? And when you will hand over the thing? After giving proper identification. After giving proper identification. CATION. Is it okay? मतलब आइडेंटिफिकेशन मीन्स पहचान. पूरी आप आइडेंटिफिकेशंस देने के बाद ही आपको दैट पेन विल बी हैंडेड ओवर टू यू. देन यू विल पुट अप द सिग्नेचर ऑफ द पर्सन. द पर्सन इज Jenny Roy, so you can Jenny Roy. Now the main name should be mentioned in capitals. Jenny Roy. Now who is she? The name of the designation is given. She is the head girl, so you will mention here head girl. She is the head girl of the school. And last, my students, but not the least, you have to frame a box here like this. Is it okay? Now your notice is completed. So I hope that the notice is quite clear to you. Go through it once again, and again I will instruct you to keep on trying. Thank you, class. Good.